Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect for your backyard and really great for relaxing, and that is because it is a two-person hammock, and as you can see, I am sitting right here on it. Now, I absolutely love this thing. This was sent over by a company called Suncreat, and it is their extra large double hammock. It's going to be very easy to set up. So first thing, you're going to have these nice, really thick metal powder-coated frames. You got plenty of bottom support, nice thick tubes. Everything snaps together, so at the end of the season, it's very easy to break down and store on a shelf in your garage if you so wish. Or you can even leave the frame outside and just bring in the hammock if you want to kind of extend the life of the fabric of the hammock itself. Now, as far as the hammock size itself, it is about 78 3/4 inches long and about 55 inches wide. Now, the whole entire hammock with the frame itself is about 147.5 inches long and then about 35.25 inches wide at the bottom frame. So you'll notice the actual hammock fabric itself sticks out past the frame. And then to the top of the supports on either end, you're looking at about 47.5 inches in height. So it's a pretty decent size hammock. And like I said, the surface here, you can easily fit two people on it, or it's really comfortable with one person laying in the center. Now, a nice feature of this hammock is you're going to notice it's going to have straps on either side, and what that's going to do is it's going to allow you to make it more stable for getting in and out of it, so you don't have to try to balance yourself like a traditional hammock. It's just an extra little stability, but it still allows you to rock back and forth and allows it to move around, which is another nice feature. Now, it has a really good hem bar at the top and the back, which is made out of nice wood. It has plenty of braided rope connection points to the actual fabric itself. So you're gonna have plenty of kind of support for that spacer, which is what's allowing for that tautness. And then you're gonna have a solid metal ring and chain on either side, which makes it easy to adjust the height as how far you want this off the ground. Now, this hammock itself can hold up to 475 pounds. So it is very, very strong with the rope and the spacer bar in the fabric itself. All the connections for the fabric is got a nice metal connection, so you don't have to worry about fraying or anything like that where it is connected to the rope. It's also, you're going to notice a kind of quilted coating, if you will, or fabric itself. And it's very, very soft when laying in it, but it's very well stitched. So you got a nice tubing on the end, double stitched at the two spacer bars, and then you have that quilted fabric pattern in the middle. And it also includes a removable pillow, so you have something to rest your head in. It makes it a little bit more comfortable. But if you don't want that pillow, it just has a couple little buttons here. You can easily remove that as well. So once again, makes it very, very comfortable to lay in this thing. But like I said, overall, if you are looking for an absolute great hammock that is super comfortable in a perfect way to kick back and relax in your backyard, by your pool, wherever, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.